Today we're celebrating Culmore Day, which we have been doing for the last 21 years here in Mason District. But even better than that, what we're celebrating is our community. Our community coming out, being together, sharing experiences, sharing all the wonderful resources that Fairfax County has to offer through these tents and our vendors. So it's really about the community. So we're really excited that Culmore Day is here again today in Mason District.
So we're here at Culmore Day and we're one of the sponsors of the event, and here the Fairfax County Park Authority has information about Rec Pack, which is our summer camp. We have the Wonder Wagon, which is the debut of the Wonder Wagon. I believe this is the third time it's been out, and so it's really great for the community to come out and really experience nature and all the things we have to offer at Fairfax County Park Authority.
We're lucky enough to have our police, our EMS and firefighters come and talk to our community about some of the resources, but also the opportunities within these different departments to come and work. We have different organizations like the Culmore Clinic. We have mobile health vans here. We have our amazing staff for the Mason District office as well as you can see so many different tents that just really provide resources for the community, whether it's our libraries, whether it's our parks. We're all here together to share resources.
We're so excited to be here. We have different artistic performances. We're celebrating us, and as an immigrant myself, my heart is full seeing like performances from different countries, community members being here from different parts of the world. So that's what makes Culmore, a great celebration.
This falls right under the county's strategic plan, especially under One Fairfax. One Fairfax looking to bring together communities, bringing in diverse groups of people. It's an equity issue, it's an issue of accessibility, and it's an issue of community. It's really pushing on the fact that together we are one, and making sure that everyone not only has a seat at the table, but a voice here in Fairfax County, specifically in Mason District.